So we've had the aviation program for a few years, and for both General Aviation 1 and 2 are using the flight simulators. And we've had these simulators which do a pretty good representation of either a single engine or a multi-engine aircraft. To enhance the project, we've just acquired this Redbird LD, and the Redbird LD, it's an FAA approved flight simulator which takes it to the next level. And right now we have this one set up as a twin engine aircraft. You can also have it set up as a single engine aircraft, and with this you have 180 degrees for visibility, so you can look over your shoulder and see what's adjacent to you. We have faithful representation of the panel and the radios, the navigations, all the throttles, props, mixtures, all the handles for the flaps and trimmer here. There's force feedback in the yoke and in the rudder pedals. You can accurately cause scenarios where you would have emergencies, and this will just bring a new level of realism to the program, and that the students will really get a feel of how it is to fly an airplane. So the intention is to inspire students to take their interest in aviation to the next level, and hopefully inspire students to possibly seek aviation as a career, which we've had several students actually go on to college aviation programs, and they're well on their way, and they started with this program.